Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. So today we will solve one question, interesting equation. This is using make a list called sandwich order there and fill it with the names of various sandwich, and then make a empty list called finish sandwich. And then for loop through the list sandwich order and print message for each order for each order. And then such as I made your tuna sandwich, as each sandwich is made, move it to the list or finish sandwich. We move from from the sandwich order, and then we move the list is to finish sandwich. After all, the sandwich have been made, and then print a message listing each sandwich that was made. Okay, so just we just make sandwich. Well, the name is sandwich order. The first one, orders, that is tuna maybe, then beef, and then lamb maybe. The second one is empty list, that is finish sandwich. Finish sandwich is what? Okay. Then, if you want to what's the meaning? If you just then make a loop through the list sandwich orders and print message for each other. So for sandwich order, well, wait a minute. While sandwich order, this is the third step. While sandwich order, and then we must add some this current sandwich, that is a variable. What is current sandwich? Is sandwich, okay, is sandwich dot pop. Nah, this pop is like remove and return item at index default from the last, and then that is current sandwich. We will move that is current sandwich to the finish sandwich, and then because we okay, print, then what is I finish the meaning current sandwich. And forget F, don't forget. Okay, current sandwich. Okay, let's try the first. Is it true? Okay, I finished the lamb, I finished the beef, and I finished the tuna. Loop through the list sandwich order and print message for is as each move it the list as finish sandwich. Okay, print message listing is sandwich that this is out of the loop. Okay. Okay. Sandwich. Okay. So, okay, this is true, but we will add this current sandwich to what meaning the finished sandwich, because if we just add this like this, for finish, this is sandwich in finish sandwiches, just print like print finish sandwich, and then there are no output print, because the finished sandwich, I think I would like take like this, so you can there are this finished sandwich, so there are output, because the finished sandwich is just 0. There are what the meaning? They are empty. Empty. So you must move from that current sandwich to the finished sandwich. So how to move it? So finish, we using that finished sandwich, finished sandwich dot append to add something. What add, and then you add from the current sandwich. Is it true? If is it true, we just, there are finished sandwich in this list, so the output is quite good. So then it is very easy for us to to understand what's the pop sandwich current sandwich. Put the pop is back, what the meaning? The pop is like remove from the sandwich order, but from the last is true. Remove and return item at index from the last one, min 1, that is the lamb, beef and tuna. So that's why if I printing the current sandwich, the output will be lamb, beef and tuna, the last one. And then if I didn't add to appended current sandwich, there are 0. If I trying this, there are 0 output, because there are no finished sandwich in here. So you must add that append to add from the current sandwich, and then you just print it all of the finished sandwich. So the first one is sandwich order, and then how to move to the finished sandwich. I just do using pop, and then add to using append, because just the add from the current sandwich, and then you just add to a finished sandwich. Yeah, that's all. It's very easy to understand step by step how to using like pop method. This is pop method, and then you using a pen. Yeah, and then don't forget to add to your GitHub. Python course commit using what is using to list and using pop and append method. Okay. Then it puts my origin. I hope you understand the step by step how to solve these questions. I think it's quite easy to understand, but yeah, if you have a questions, and then you have a good approach to solve this question, please comments below. I wanna hear from you. Any suggestion maybe. Yeah, so that's all from this video. No, we will try another question. Bye.